I think the most common reason for failure is for kids specifically is not preparing well. That is one. That is evident, and or not planning how you want to study, because and there are certain exams where there is a percentage cutoff. Where you can't do much. Even if you study, it is on the given day how your mindset is.
Yes.
So the biggest reason for failure is in kids is because they need to have an external support, and not have a fear that if I fail, what will my family say? What will I do? So that assurance needs to come from the family that even if you fail, we are with you. So that boosts up their confidence a lot, and then they are able to give their exams more openly with a free mindset, right? It is just that you're driving a car और आपको डर है कि मेरी गाड़ी ठुक ना जाए, गाड़ी लग ना जाए आपको, you are bound to make a bump, you're bound to bump your car. Similarly, if you go with a mindset कि मेरे को fail नहीं होना, मेरे को fail नहीं होना,
फेल नहीं होगा.
you are bound, there are chances you will fail. So the first reason is that you need to adapt a mindset, of success mindset. And उसका age से कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. Okay, it's not that कि you will be 22 तभी आपको success mindset आएगा, नहीं. That can be inculcated anytime, anywhere. So that's the mindset which is stopping us from becoming what we want to.
ट्रू. एंड ऑल्सो अब आई थिंक जो आपने बोला ना बहुत सही बात है कि बहुत बार ना बच्चे के ऊपर हम इतना स्ट्रेस क्रिएट कर देते हैं ना कि नहीं तूने फर्स्ट ही आना है, तूने फर्स्ट ही आना है, तूने टॉप ही करना है, दैट उसका वो इतना स्ट्रेस में होता है दैट दैट चाइल्ड माइट बी माइट होल्ड अ ग्रेट पोटेंशियल, but because of stress, especially as Meenakshi told, I'm a civil services mentor. I have seen this happen with many of the IS students also. इतना प्रेशर होता है घर वालों का कि नहीं अब आपको दिल्ली भेजा है तो आपने आईएएस की वो डेजिग्नेशन लगा के ही घर लौटना है, कि आधे बच्चे इस जर्नी को इसलिए कोलैप्स कर जाते हैं क्योंकि उनको वही दे इमेजिन कि अगर मेरा नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा, एंड वंस यू सेंड दैट वाइब्स टू द यूनिवर्स इट ऑल कम्स बैक टू यू. जैसे आपने बोला कार बम, सोचते रहो कार बम नहीं हो तो 100% वो कार बम होगी. सो दे कीप थिंकिंग कि अगर नहीं हुआ तो पेरेंट्स कितने डिप्रेस हो जाएंगे. So finally they end up in that situation कि वो नहीं होता है, and they have to go through all that. So the best thing is to make everything stress free. Another very important point which I wanted to make, Gagan, was that the parents also need to understand that every child will not be good with maths, every child will not be good with science, every child will not be good with English, or every child's dream will not be to become a doctor and engineer. So we also need to realize that कि मतलब बच्चा करना क्या चाहता है, मतलब हो सकता है हम जबरदस्ती उसको मेडिकल के लिए पुश कर रहे हैं, उसका he might be interested in humanities. So we also have to as parents realize that you don't have to stress it out even in smaller classes. It's okay अगर बच्चे की अंडरस्टैंडिंग मैथ्स में नहीं है, so I see it's even okay अगर उसको पासिंग ग्रेड आ रहा है, but he might hold potential for something else. So why do we want हमारा बच्चा मतलब मैथ्स में, साइंस में, सोशल में सब पे मतलब एकदम टॉप पे रहे? So it's inhuman from our side also. So what would you like to say, Arvind?
Well, you've covered most of it, Swati. I think just being a parent nowadays is also a tough job. I have sympathy
Yes.
for the parents also, because managing their own life, managing their spouse, and then managing kids, it's a lot they have to do. But
Yes.
running away from the responsibility is not a skill, because you lead by example, right? These are not the times that you yell on your children and they will understand, then they will get back to studies. No, in fact, you are giving them, if you are not in control of a situation, they will start yelling also. If not with you at school or at a college or with their friends. So which as a building block for life is very difficult. But then, just consider your kids just like plants and vegetables. I'll give you an example. As Swati said, not everybody's purpose is the same, right? You make gardens, you eat different vegetables, right? And usually we think dhania ka koi role nahi hota, right? As a vegetable, but till the time put that garnishing on the top of the food you have cooked, it just adds so much value to it. So don't consider your kid only to be the king of vegetable, which is bangan. they all have different qualities. Rather nurture them. They are clay. आप जैसा
Yes.
उनको बनाओगे, it is more important to tell them to be a better individual, better human being.
Yes.
So that constant conversation has to be there. It doesn't mean you stop pushing them कि आप एग्जाम जैसे दे रहे हो, कोई बात नहीं. No, you can't be आप उसको lightly नहीं ले सकते, but you have to adapt to a mindset कि आप उनको नर्चर करना शुरू करो.
Exactly. You have to understand that.
Yes, because देखो हम कॉर्पोरेट में काम कर रहे हो, चाहे गवर्नमेंट जॉब में काम कर रहे हो, जो प्राइवेट में काम कर रहे हो, if you are not performing well, your supervisor or HR will get in discussion with you कि आपको ये सही करना है, right? So then you develop that mindset कि okay, this is critical, I need to. So similarly for kid also, you need to assess them, कि ask them what is it that they are liking, and of course, a parent also have to have a flexible mindset nowadays.
Yes.
Right? Not that कि engineer or doctor ही बनना है, simple, या CA बनना है, And I think in last 1 decade it has changed. Most of few of the parents want the kids to be just cricketers because IPL में बहुत पैसा है. Not everybody is meant to be. Some people play cricket for enjoyment.
Yes.
Maybe they want to be something else. But yes, tell them if they follow their passion, if they follow their purpose, they should be able to take care of their family.
Yes.
Right? I am not encouraging to anybody to just leave the whole thing and then be a poet and not earn anything. No, you have to, as a kid also, you have to take accountability because you are on stage, because you were social. You have to take care of your parents. You have to take care of everything around you. So that balanced discussion has to happen. वो uncomfortable होगी, but वो एक parent को discussion करनी ही पड़ेगी with a lot of patience and having options.
Yes.
Not that okay, a kid is sitting with her head down and parent is talking. No. You need to maybe take them out for coffee, take them out for drive, and then talk कि अच्छा क्या चल रहा है. Make it light. Be friends with kids nowadays.